Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, December 31st, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. It kind of went out of the year today, not with a bang, but with a whimper. Before talking about today, I would like to just say that I completed the spreadsheets for 2015, and I will say that this was one of the most torturous trading years that I can remember. The year started off good in January and February, and then it got really bad, and we experienced 5 consecutive losing months from early spring to late fall. I have not seen 5 consecutive losing months since I can remember. It was really terrible, and I actually went negative on my account. That is also something I am not used to. Amazingly enough, the thing came back, and we had I think the biggest month I've ever had in October, pretty good month in November, and a very good month in December as well. Totaled out just over $200,000 for the year, or about 45% gain on my cash equity. So unbelievably torturous though this year was, it proved reasonably profitable. Today, and by the way, I will put those spreadsheets actually for the past 3 years on the website sometime this weekend, and they'll be there where you can download them. I'll put them down at the bottom of the front page. They'll be down there, you can download them. Anyway, today the Dow settled down 178 points, settled on its low. It closed down 178. We did not have a good day, but not really a terrible day considering everything. We closed out negative $3,500, and we're carrying negative $2,200 over the long weekend and into the new year. I am being totally contrarian. I am calling the market January 4th, January 4th, 2016. I'm calling the Dow hard up, strong upside day for the first day of the new year. Today, though, was absolutely miserable. It was so frustrating. I'll show you a couple of the stocks. There's not much to talk about. This first one was SunEdison, and this was actually good in some ways. We had bought this thing yesterday, bought almost a high tick of the day, just sold off against us all day long. And then look at this thing where it opens this morning. This thing opens down $5,000. I'm just about losing my cookies when I see this open. And then the thing springboards to the top side, and we sell, actually the high bar of the day, end up getting out of that thing with about $2,500 loss. But look at it. We went from negative 5,000 to negative 2,500, another gain, $2,500 here in about 40 minutes. So that was pretty good on the stock that I disliked the most yesterday. Unfortunately, the stock that I liked the most yesterday turned out not quite as good as I would have liked. This is WTW, Weight Watchers International. It's a good stock to be looking at during the holiday season. Maybe it's because of too much fruitcake that they think that Weight Watchers International is going to do pretty good here. Anyway, it sure looked good yesterday. We bought this thing right out of the gate. It kept going, going, going. Up here, it got up to about $6,000. Then it pulls back to, $3,000 or something. I was pretty upset about that. That thing gaps up this morning, way up. And when it's up here at the very tip top, this thing is up almost to $8,000. But of course we hang on to it a little bit, and our hanging on to it was deadly. It just plunged on the bar we got out of, and we ended up getting out of that with positive $3,200, which normally is a good trade. But like I say, I watched it go from nearly 8,000 to 3,000. That was sickening. Anyway, the whole day was kind of sickening, quite honestly. But hey, 2015 is over, and it was a profitable year. Hey, you guys have a great, great new year. I'll be back here in 2016.